Hi, it's Rich. Welcome to Corvette Friday. Yeah, TGIF. Another 79 Corvette. Bring you guys over here and we'll check the bad boy out. Yeah, pretty cool looking car. The mirrors that they put on there, they never should have did that. They break off very easily. It's on a Magnum 440. Pretty cool looking. Not a lot of detail, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Side markers ain't marked in the vents, but you get tail lights, and those ain't headlights. Headlights are up there. Those, I guess that's just part of the grill. It's one of Tyco's later cars before they sold to Mattel, and let's put it on the dyno, and we'll take her for a little ride on the dyno, see how she goes. Aeropan Magnum. Warm up. Take a look here in the book. She's number 5 right up here. And number 5, 1979 Corvette, made 1981 only on a 440, part number 8913. It is a 2 in availability, which means it's kind of hard to find, especially with no broken mirrors on it. Number 5, Silver Orn-Blu. Pretty cool car. Yeah, I took my old light out of here and took the base off of it and mounted it on a piece of wood and got it up here so it's up out of the way. And it's plugged into a on-off switch so I can turn it off if I want. I have a car and a dyno with the headlights. I can turn it off. Let's oil this bad boy up and put some Novus on the bottom and shine her up. She's pretty dull looking. That is pretty darn good for an old Magnum. A 1-bar magnet, that's a Magnum. Shined up pretty nice. see the runner. 1981 only. Let's take this bad boy over to the Waterford Farm 65. Take her for a few laps around. Put you on pause. Really? This thing is picking up every uneven surface on the track. Doesn't feel uneven to me. It runs good. Being a Magnum, the magnets aren't as strong as a 440 times 2. So she's wanting to be a drifter a little bit. Gotta be a little careful there. There she is from 1981, a 79 Corvette. Silver, blue with a little bit of orange in there. That's some cool looking colors. It needs more detail in my opinion, but like I said, they were being cheapskates on some of the models. Yeah, it's a Magnum, and it runs really good. So can't complain about that. I just don't like the mirrors. There's a little hole inside the you can't really see them because they're up by the windshield, but there's a little hole up the black sticks through. Let me try to point it out to you. It's right there, right there. It's coming through. It's where the mirror comes through, and they glue it. And that chassis that I hammered the other night, I tried to take those out. It would turn, but I don't know if they stuck it through and melted the end, so it's fatter, and I tried to get it out, and I ended up just snapping it off, so it wasn't dry rotted like some of them just snap off and break right off. Yeah, this thing needs cleaned on the inside as well. I'll do that after we get off. You guys don't want to watch me do that. This shoe runs really good. Great numbers on the dyno. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys. I'm up to over 100 now, so today is Friday. Well, for me it's Thursday. For you it's Friday. So tonight at 7 p.m. I'll be going live. My Friday Night Live. I'm going to to a 100 subscriber giveaway again. I did one the last time. Yeah, and I got a few nice new cars. I'm going to build this pit kit tonight. Compliments of Steve Moore, Slot Car Steve. Appreciate you, buddy. He sent me 2 of them. One's a Super 3. I'm going to do that next weekend. Because some of you guys just love how I cuss and swear when I do my Super 3s. They are a pain in the beep. Yeah. So, yeah. They're fun. I like them. They're just, you just got to tweak them and play around with them and get them run nice. And, yeah. I think I'll pull that body out and take it apart and paint it before the show tonight. So it'll be, the body will be ready to go. And thank you, Steve. Steve sent me a cool card. That's Mark Martin's card from his the inaugural Texas race where he won the Busch Series race down in Texas. Really cool. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. It's awesome. And he sent me that Summit Racing sticker back there. It's pretty cool. Excuse me. That was the 55 years, which was last year. Summit Racing is right up there in Summit County. And it's right on the east side of Akron as you're going out of town on 76. I go by there half a dozen times a year. I go right by there. That's in Adam Hurt's neighborhood. Yeah. There's a few fellers on there. Today is Thursday, so last night, Wednesday night, during Adam's Live, there was a couple fellers we got to meet that are actually from Akron. At least one guy anyway. Another one said he was from there. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I grew up between Akron and Youngstown. Mahoning County, 2 counties over. And, yeah, I'll be doing a giveaway tonight. And hope to see you all there. And a lot of you have been commenting on the layout. You guys like it. I love it. It is my favorite of all 2-lane layouts. It's the Whitewater, I don't want to call it that's Waterford Park. It's a racetrack. It's called Whitewater Farm 65. I modified it. I took all the 3-inch turns out because I hate the 3-inch turns. If you got Mega G with level 52 magnets in it, or 42, whatever it is, those turns are okay. But for old Tycos and even Magnums and 440s, they suck. So, yeah. If any of you seen any cars that was on that tray that's for sale, and let me know tonight. I still have about 40 cars on there for sale, and I have a bunch over here, right there, over there in that case, that last case. I have some in there that are for sale. So if you're looking for a specific car, don't ask for one out of my collection. I've answered that 100 times. People send me emails. Oh, will you sell me this? No, that's cars in my collection. Someday I'll start selling those, but not till I'm about 70, 65, 70. I need money. And they don't mean as much to me anymore. But I appreciate you guys coming in. Appreciate you watching this. It's been going around that YouTube does not... They don't count your comment unless it's at least 7 words long. And I noticed on some of my channels that I sub to, they're not even slot cars. They're regular cars, and other channels that I watch have been commenting that it needs to be somewhat of a lengthy comment to count in the algorithms. And I think it was Dave over OID Slots, him or I think it was Dave. Somebody said that it has to be at least 7 words. Full words, 7 full words. So if you guys are just commenting to help me out, I immensely appreciate that. And please try to make it 7 words. I know some of you, like my buddy Jim Benito, have no problem with putting 7+ words in, and that's awesome. You guys chat. Don't chat with each other, but go ahead and talk to me, and let me know how you feel about the car or the video. And if you have any questions, if you have any requests, let me know. And appreciate you guys. You guys are all awesome. Up over 100. Thank you very much. I don't know where the other 180 people that were subscribed before, where they're at. I don't know. If you know someone and they say something, hey, where's Rich Man? Let them know to resubscribe. All you gotta do is just type in Richard Slot Car Room and it'll pop up. So appreciate if you guys are all signed in. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell if you want notified. Yeah, I got it. The bell's not down there. I got it hanging down here now. I'm trying to open this up so I can get more stickers and more stuff on the backboard, and open up, have more room to work. Got the hammer back there, but I think I'll hang it up here on the front where I can grab it real quick, because sometimes you want to grab that hammer quick. So yeah, appreciate you guys, and thanks a lot, and come in tonight if you can. Just let other people know, hey, Rich is going to be live tonight, and yeah, TGIF. If I don't see you tonight, which I hope I do, you guys have a nice weekend, and check out Sunday's Race Day Sunday video. I'll be doing another, I think it's an IndyCar, and Taco Tuesday, which is, you ain't gonna be able to guess what I'm gonna do then. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. Alright, appreciate you guys. You guys have a great one, and bye.